Welcome back to our channel, Retired and Loving It. I'm Terry.
And I'm Keith.
Today, we're in Memphis, Tennessee at the Graceland Guesthouse. And we're gonna give you a tour. That's where we're staying while we're in Memphis.
I'm really excited to be here in Memphis, Tennessee, to actually see where Elvis stayed. We're going to go through the guest house. We're going to get to go through and see some of his private planes, his cars, and just part of where he lived and where he did his entertainment. Thank you so much for coming along with us.
The guest house at Graceland is a 450-room hotel right next door to the Graceland Mansion, which is just steps away. There's Elvis music playing absolutely everywhere through this beautiful hotel. I could only play a few seconds due to copyrights. This beautiful 450-room hotel was opened October the 27th in 2016. This hotel opened to replace the old, aging Heartbreak Hotel, which was across the street from Graceland.
Hello!
Hey!
Is this Jake Rattle? No?
Yes!
No.
Okay, hey, we're at Graceland and Shake Rattle to Go. Kicking it with Retired and Loving It. Come and see us in Memphis.
The decor of the hotel was a 50s vibe, which reflected the taste of the king of rock and roll himself. The king's suite of this hotel is said to be patterned after the king's own suite at Graceland. There are 20 themed suites on the top floor, renting for up to $3,000 a night. Among them are Vernon and Gladys, the TCB, Palm Springs, and the King's Suite, the one that is patterned after Elvis's own living quarters upstairs at Graceland. This grand staircase looks like the one that's found in the Graceland home, and this chandelier is a replication of the chandelier that hangs above the one at Graceland. It's a great place for guest photo ops. As you get off the elevator at each level, there's a picture of one of Elvis's jumpsuits with a number. Here is a tour of our room. We were on the 6th floor and we just stayed in a regular room. As you walked in, there was Elvis music playing on the TV, and it was a very nice room. They said that they designed the room specifically not to have pictures of Elvis everywhere. They wanted it to be in good taste and something that Elvis himself would have loved. was options available on TV where you could watch Elvis in some of his performances. The hotel has 5 restaurants, conference rooms, a ballroom, among many other amenities. We took a walk behind the hotel where the pool is located. And as you've probably already guessed, there was Elvis music playing there as well. Along with the pool, they had a great fire pit area where you could sit and relax. Keep napping. Wake up.
Oh, I wasn't sleeping.
This really was a gorgeous piece of property, and all just steps away from the Graceland home. In the back of the hotel, they had all kinds of different games and things that guests could do, or just sit and relax. We enjoyed walking through the gift shop. They had a lot of Elvis 45 because it has been 45 years since Elvis's death. They even had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich bar because Elvis loved peanut butter and banana sandwiches. We ate at the EP Bar and Grill. They have a 464-seat theater where they show Elvis movies nightly.
Across the sea, we're going to find something.
This was a really gorgeous hotel where they have entertainment in the lobby nightly. Right up the path from Graceland Guesthouse is Graceland's Chapel in the Woods, where a lot of weddings are performed. It's really a beautiful location. We highly recommend staying at Graceland's Guesthouse.
Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time on Retired and Loving It.
If you'd like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen.